Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Honor 200 and I want to show you how fix the problem when you have your application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search your game or application and you can't find it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. In its settings, family and parental control. As you can see now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. We can to change it, tap on it, enter your look screen, and there change it by tap on page 16, confirm by understood and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!